Morning, friends. Today's chapter is profit and loss. So here, in every business, on in every daily life, we would have faced that what is the profit and what is the loss. So here there are two aspects. What is profit and as well as loss. So what is profit and what is a loss? So loss. Here profit and loss both are considered according to the percentum. Okay, as we have seen the percentum chapter, percentage. Okay, percentage chapter. So here profit. So what is profit? What is profit? Profit is the money we get more than 100%. Okay, the money or discount. Maybe sometimes this also can be given in the form of discount. Discount. Okay, if we get less here, less than 100. Okay, less than 100. Okay, profit is nothing but discount. We get less than 100 on a product, or the money we get more than 100%. So what is the loss here? Loss is the money we get less than 100%. Okay, money we get less than 100%. And what about the discounts? Okay, loss is the discount. Here we won't get a discount here. Okay, we don't get discount here. Discount hasn't been given. Instead, cost of the product we buy increased more than 100%. Okay, 100%. So here, whatever the product we buy, okay, so whatever the product we buy, if the cost price is more than selling price, okay, so whatever the product we have bought is more than the actual cost, is nothing but loss to us. So here, as we have seen how to know if it is a profit or if it is a loss. So now let's do a problem here. So what is the first problem here? If a shopkeeper sells a book for 500 rupees, which he bought for 450 rupees, did he get loss or profit? Loss or profit. So here, what is the cost of the book have he bought? He bought for 450 rupees. So here, he bought it for 450 rupees and sold it for 500 rupees. So here, what is the question? Did he get loss or profit? So here, this is the cost price. This is a selling price. So here, 450 for 100%. And what is the percent of 500? Question mark. So here, let's do as cross multiplying. So, for 500 into 100 by 450. Okay, 500 into 100 by 450. 0, 0, 5 nines, 5 hundreds. Okay. Again 1000 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 1 by 9. Here he have got the percent of 1 by 9 as it is more than 100. So it is profit of 11 1 by 9%. So finally he have got profit of 11 1 by 9 here. Okay. So here this is the first question, and now let's go to the second question. So here is the second question. So what is the second question? If a merchant brings clothes for 10,000 and sold them for 9,000 rupees, did he get a profit or loss, and at what percent? At what percent? So here, what is the cost that he have brought the clothes for 10,000? 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. And here, what is the selling price? It is nothing but 9,000. So definitely we have got loss. At what percent? At what percent? The 10,000 can be taken for the 100%. And what is the percent of 9,000? It is nothing but cross multiplication. Okay. 9,000 into 100 by 10,000. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. It is 9%. Okay. So here we have got the loss of 10%. Loss of 10% on selling the products. Okay. So these are the basic questions. Okay. And next we go to the third question, which is some different. Okay. So here the third question. Here's the third question. So Ramu bought a jeep for 50,000 rupees and sold it for 45,000. 45,000. Did he get loss or profit? And what is the percent of loss or profit? So here Ramu have bought a jeep for 50,000 and he sold it for 45,000. 45,000. This is a cost price. This is a selling price. So here in the previous questions, there he have increased the selling price which he have got the cost price. So here he have decreased the selling price, and so here he definitely got a loss, but at what percent he has got loss, we have to find it. So here the cost price is 50,000. Okay, this we have to take for 100%, and we have to find what is the percent of loss here. So we have to cross multiply them. 45,000 into 100 divided by 50,000. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 5 ones, 5 nines, 0. So here 90%. So he bought for 50,000 and he sold it for 90%, that which he have got loss of 10% on selling the jeep. Selling the jeep. Okay, clear? Here is the fourth question. So here in this fourth question, Bhim bought 15 shirts for rupees 3000 and sold them for 2700. Did he get loss or profit, and at what percent? So here same as the third question, the Bhim bought 15 shirts for rupees 3000 and sold them for 2700. So he have bought them lump sum and sold them lump sum, not individually. Okay, not individually. So here, so there is no need of taking the cost of single shirt. Okay, we can take it as completely 3000 rupees. So this is the cost price. And what is the selling price? 2700. So here he bought them for 3000 into x divided by 2700 into 100. Okay, 2700 into 100. So here 0 0 0, 3 zeros, again 3 zeros, 3 ones are 3 nines are 0. So here x is equal to 90%. So here he have got loss of 10%. 10% on selling the total 15 shirts. Okay, clear. So here next let's do the fifth question. Okay, here is the fifth question. So what is the question? By selling a set of pencils for rupees 3300, Murali gets 10,000 profit on them. And what is the cost price? So what is the selling price here? He sold them, selling price, sold them for 3300 rupees and he have got profit of 10%. That means he got a profit of 10%. That means more than 100%. And here what is the question? What is the cost price? What is CP? Okay, question mark 100%. So he is asking about this 100%. So here how do we do it? 3300 into 100 divided by 110. Okay, 110. 0 0, 11 ones, 11 threes. Okay, 3 0 0 0, 3 0 0 0. Here the cost price is 3000. Okay, so he have bought them for 3000 and sold them for 3300 rupees. Okay, is it clear? So here is the sixth question. So what is the question here? What is the question? Bhishma sold his piano for 1199.7 rupees, which brought him profit of 33 1/3%. And what was the cost price? So here what is the selling price? Selling price is 1199.7. So selling price, what is the percentage for this? Is profit of profit in the sense he have got more 33 1/3% more than 100. So we have to plus it, plus 0.3 or 133 1/3. Same, these are the same. Okay, so what is the question? What was the cost price? Cost price. How have I taken this as 1/3? So 1/3 is nothing but 1/3 is nothing but 3 1. 0.091. So 3 nines are 0. Point again 0. 3 9. So here 3 is infinite. Okay. 10 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3 infinite. Okay. So same as that I have taken it. So here, what is the cost price here? So question mark. So how do we get it? How do we get it? We have to find 100%. 100%. So it is a question mark. So how do we get? By cross multiplying both. So 19119.7 into 100 by 133.3. Okay, 0.3. So here how do we cancel it? Oh, how do we get? So here 133.3 into 9. Let's take it as 9. 9 7 9 3 is 27. 2 9 3 is 27. 28 29. 9 2 again same 9 2 9 ones are 9 plus 2 11. So we have got it as 1199.1 1099.7. Here 9 into 100 900. So here what is the cost price of the piano? The cost price of piano is 900. Okay, cost price of piano is 900. Okay, clear. So let's go to the next question. Here is the seventh question. So what is the seventh question? Seventh question. The question is, Meena sold her stocks for 9,600 and she got 20% profit. 20% profit. And at what cost should she sell her stocks to get 30% of profit? So what is the cost she has sold for 9,600 and what is the percent she has got profit? Here 120%. And what is the question? At what cost should she sell her stock to get 30% profit? So here we have to find this cross multiplication. 9600 into 130 divided by 120 into x. Okay, into x. So here 0 0 12 ones 12800. Here 8 3s are 24. 2 8 ones are 8 plus 2 1000. Okay, so she have to sell her stock for 10,400 to get 130% of profit. Okay, clear? Yes, clear. Now next go to the 8th question. So what is the question here? The 8th question is, Bharat sold his Ferrari for rupees 96,000 and he got 20% loss. And at what cost should he sell his Ferrari to get 20% profit? So here, what is the question? Bharat sold his Ferrari for 96,000 and he got 20% loss here. That means it is for 80%. And what cost should he sell to get 20% profit? 20% profit, that means 120. So here question mark, cross multiplication. Okay, 96000 into 120 divided by 80. 0 0 8 ones, 8 ones are 8 twos are 0 0 0. So 12 square, 12 square 244. Let's check it. 12 into 12, 4 2 2 1 144. So 144,000, 1,44,000. So here he have to sell his Ferrari for 1,44,000 to get 20% profit on it. Okay, clear? Yes. What is the ninth question? If the ratio between the cost price and selling price of a material are 5:6, then what is the percentage of profit or loss he gets? So here, now this is a different model that he have given a question in the form of ratios. So here we have to take the ratios into percentage. So what has been asked here, the what is the percentage of profit or loss when he sold something. So definitely we know that cost price CP will be taken for 100%. Okay, so here ratio between the cost price and selling price. Cost price, what is the cost price? First it has been given, so cost price is 5 ratio, and selling price is 6. Okay, so here cost price is, what is the cost price? Ratio of a cost price is 5. Okay, 5. So here the ratio of cost price is 5, and what is the selling price? Ratio of a selling price is 6. So here we need to know what is X here. So this is selling price. So here what can we do? We can do that, we can cross multiply it. Okay, cross multiply it. Here 100 into 6 by 5 into X. Okay, into X. Taking nothing but 5 ones, 5 20s, 6 20s are 120%. So here what is the percentage of a profit or loss he gets? So here, as it is a more percent than the cost price, it is profit. So here he have got 20% as profit. Okay, so this clear. So by this we can do however the question it will be. It may be in the ratios or it may be in the percentage. As we have seen the ninth question, now here we are having 10th question. So what is the 10th question? If ratios between cost price and selling price of a material are 10:8, then what is the percent of profit or loss he gets? So here between the cost price and selling price. So here what is the cost price? Cost price is 10%. And what is the selling price? Selling price is 8%. So here we need to take this 10 ratio 10 for 100%, as this is a cost price. So this is a cost price that he have bought. Okay, so we have to find what is the selling price, what he is selling or sold a material. Okay, question mark. So here 10 100 into 8. So here we can cross multiply it by 10. 10 ones, 10 zeros. So 80% is the selling price of that material. 80% is the selling price of that material. So what is the percentage of profit or loss he gets? So here, have he got profit? No, he have got loss. So what is the percentage of loss he have got? Is 20%. He got loss of 20% on selling the material. Okay. So by this we have completed some models of percentage.